Once upon a time, a young man named Fang was extremely ambitious. He aspired to do great things in life, but he was constantly distracted by his ideas. He would worry about the future, reflect on the past, and engage in all kinds of negative thinking. One day, Fang met a wise old master who taught him about the power of thought. He walked over to the master and sat next to him. Fang told the master about his problem. After the master calmed down a bit, the master said, "Come with me." Then they went and stood in front of the lake. The master took a stone from the water and told Fang to hold it in his hands. Fang took the stone. Then the master said, "Hit the stone with all your strength." Fang struck the stone with all his power. Later, the master inquired, "Is the stone damaged?" Fang said gently, "No, the stone is unharmed." The master then replied, "Take the stone and go inside the lake." Fang took the stone and entered the water. Then the master said, "Drop the stone into the water and then come up from the lake to me." Fang remained cool and stood next to the master. Now the master said, "Was the stone able to protect itself this time?" "No," said Fang. The master said, "My dear friend, our mental ability is just like that. If we do not use our thinking power properly, then the result in our life will be like this stone." Fang asked the master how we can use our thinking power for success in life. Then the master replied, "Just as the stone protected itself from your attack, in the same way, our positive thoughts protect our lives. In the same way that a stone cannot save itself from sinking into the lake despite its strength, similarly, we cannot progress in life if we follow negative thinking." Fang recognized the meaning of the words. From that point on, he began to value happy ideas above negative ones, and he continued to grow in life. If you appreciate the story, kindly leave a positive comment and share it with friends. If you see any flaws, please let me know in the comments, and I'll work on improving to create a great video for you.